Have you ever heard of the 80-20 rule? Man, I lived most of my life not knowing anything about this 80-20 rule. 80% of your income, that's like the majority of it, right? Comes from 20% of your clients. And the crazy thing is, I read this book and it talks about how 80% of the traffic flows on 20% of the roads. 80% versus 20% is just a rule of nature. It is crazy how this works. So how it works for you and me in business is that as humans, we always think we want to kind of help the underdog. So we think about the people and the clients that we're having the most trouble with and those clients that complain a lot, and we think, how can we help them or fix them, or how can we get these new clients in? And we're always working on the negative stuff, the little stuff, or the big problems, when this small percentage, 20% of your clients, bring in most of the money with the least amount of problems for you. So that what that tells you kind of statistically is, let's focus on them. Let's be nice to them. Let's cater to them. When that top 20, like do a report. It's crazy. I did it for our business, and it was like 19% of the clients brought in a little over 80% of the money. It was crazy how close it was. Do a printout of your top 20 clients, and then see how much money they brought in last year for you. Your top 20 clients more than likely brought in the majority of your money. Might be 75 to 85%, but it's crazy that your top 20 clients. So out of those top 20, that's the ones you should be focusing on. That's the ones, no matter what business you're in. Obviously, I'm in the hair business, but that's the ones that you need to do something for, talk to, be a little nicer to, a little better customer service. Maybe give them the free services that they're not getting now. They're coming in to get a hair color, highlight, whatever. Give them a free eyebrow wax, a free something with the face, or just some added service to kind of say thank you, but then you know what's going to happen? They're going to pay for that next time. They'll want to get it again in the future, and they're the ones that are spending the money with you, so they will. So apply that 80-20% rule, 80-20 rule, 80%, 20% in everything you do in life. Think about the 20%, because that's what really, really brings in all the benefit in your life, in everything. I'm thinking of it here right now and thinking, I bet it's even in health food. But I don't think I want to go there just yet. For me, the holidays are coming and I'm going to eat what I want. So I'll talk about that later. 80-20 in business, it works. Market and focus on keeping those 20%, because that's what's going to make a difference in your business.